Good morning, YouTube. It's about 10:40 on Monday. It's JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Suwanee, Georgia. I didn't get a chance to shoot a before video. Customer was about a half hour late getting here, so I didn't have time to shoot a before, but I'll shoot a quick after for you. This was a 5-area job in a repeat customer. They're moving across town from one side of town to the other. Same city here in Suwanee. Like I say, it was basically 5 bedrooms. This room here was probably the worst. There was some paint on the carpet and some other stuff that was in here all came out nice. So, like I said, it's running a little late, so we had to miss the before video, but I thought I'd give you a quick after video. So this was, like I said, a 5-area job, $200 job. There were, several spots, two or three spots in each room. But again, with OMG Carpet Cleaning, there are no per spot fees. Spots are included, disinfectants included. So we're here to clean your carpet, rugs, upholstery, hardwoods, tile. We also put people in the carpet cleaning floor care business. 404-500-9853 or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. If you're interested in starting your own business, give us a call. We'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and always be kind.